Welcome to our first tutorial about working with leaders. In AutoCAD, we can use two types of leaders, single leaders and multi-leaders. These days, we usually use multi-leaders, but in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the single leader in case you ever need to use it. And in our next tutorial, we're going to check out the multi-leader. Okay, first let's make sure Dynamic Input's active. Just toggle it on in the status bar. Now type leader and press Enter. First, I'm going to specify the leader's start point, then the second point. We have the option to create as many lines as we want. To undo, just right-click and select Undo. Let's right-click and check out the contextual menu. Scroll down to Format. Now enter the leader format option, Spline. Let's right-click and Format. Now Straight Line. Now I can press Enter, or I can right-click and select Annotation. Let's type in my text and press Enter. And here we have our second line of text. Let's press Enter and Enter again. Now obviously our text and our arrowhead is a bit small. Let's go to the Properties panel to change these properties. Let's say text height will make 0.9. Tab to accept. Deselect everything in the graphic area. Let's change the arrow size to 0.75. Tab to register. Oops, it looks like the text height didn't register, so let's do that again. 0.9 for text size. Okay, now if I grab the text handle and move it, the landing lines move as well. Okay, let's deselect everything. Select the leader again. Now let's grab this grip and move it independently. As you see, when I move the text, the landing line moves as well. Let's learn how to edit the leader style. Open the Style Manager, Standard, Modify. Let's change the arrow size to 0.75 and the text to 0.8. Now let's click OK and close. Let's create one more leader now. Press Enter. The first point, second point, right-click, Annotation. Press Enter and Enter again to close. And this concludes our tutorial about creating a single leader.